Hi, I'm Justin Lee. You may recognise me if you joined one of the Portman Dentex webinars last year on improving patient communication and increasing case acceptance. And that really is where I specialise with a lot of the clients that I work with. And I wrote this book called Inspire Consult Sell, and the book really does help to break down the process of communication and think about how we truly understand what patients' needs so that we can better meet those needs through the conversation about treatment with those patients. Because being a great clinician is no longer enough. We have to be great communicators so that patients understand what being a great clinician means for them. And we break that down through our courses. We have a course planned on Friday, the 2nd of May. It's a one-day course. Now, previously I've run this as a 2-day consultative sales and communication course. And over the last 6 to 12 months, I've been asked by a lot of individual practice clients, can we do this in a day? And whilst that sounded like a challenge, it was one that I worked with them to create a specific program where we ran it as larger practice teams in a single day. So I've decided to bring that into the open market and invite multiple clinicians from different practices to a one-day course. And I'm really pleased to announce that one-day course, the first time we'll be doing this for clinicians to come together from different practices, is on Friday, the 2nd of May. The course will be held at the Acteon Head Office in St Neots in Cambridgeshire. It's about an hour north of London. Really good central location just off the A1M and really easy to access, lots of parking, really great facility. We won't be doing a lot of clinical work there, but a clinical facility as well. So if you are interested and you'd like to join us, I wanted to extend the invitation to the course to Portman Dentex clinicians. So it's Friday, the 2nd of May. First of all, check if that date works for your diary. If you'd like more details, there are more details in the email that accompanied this video, but I'd love to welcome Portman Dentex clinicians on the course. We have a number of people booked already. We have a maximum cohort of 16, so there won't be that many spaces available, but I wanted to extend the opportunity to attend the course to Portman Dentex clinicians. If you'd like to contact me directly about this, my contact details will be in the email you received. Feel free to make contact, and I'd love to share more details and welcome you onto it's like a pilot course on May the 2nd. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I hope to see you in the near future.